Plastic panels. Plastic panels are used almost everywhere on your motorcycle. It forms a primary component for your aesthetics of your motorcycle, and restoring it is most often ignored. Just adding a layer of polish will not restore your plastic panels, as it just adds shine and sometimes add protection. However, in this video, let's see how to properly restore your plastic panels and go from this to this. And also go from this to this. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Watch for the pop-up codes that is shown in the entire video to participate in the giveaway. Now the first step to do before starting the restoration is to wash your motorcycle. You can choose to continue watching this or skip to the next step by going to the timeline that is shown. Now moving on to restoring your plastic panels, let me show you this product from NEFFEX, which provides various detailing products for all motorcycles and cars. This particular product is specifically designed to restore your plastic panels, and NEFFEX has reached out to me to check out their plastic restoration product. This is not a paid promotion as such, however I got a chance to test this product and nearly using it for a month. In the box, you get a spray attachment and also an applicator sponge and nothing else. If you're interested to buy this product, I will leave the Instagram handle in the description below. And also, for people who are participating in the giveaway, shout out to NEFFEX for giving away 5 of their plastic restoration products. Moving on to restoring your plastic panels, you can see the amount of damage that this particular panel has received. Now in the past, I tried using dashboard polish to cover this particular panel. However, after a couple of days or weeks, this particular panel tends to come back to its damaged condition, which requires a reapplication of the dashboard polish, and it is never a permanent fix. Now that's when I came across this product from NEFFEX specifically for plastic restoration. This is actually a chemical-based liquid which penetrates into your plastic panels and removes the oxidation layer from the external surface and brings back life into your plastic panels. Now behind the bottle, you can get the instruction on how to use this particular product, and based on my personal experience, I suggest you to wear a gloves if you're using this particular product, and I'll show you why in a moment. I have decided to use an applicator sponge than spraying directly onto the plastic panel. Pouring some amount of this chemical onto the applicator sponge, start applying gently onto the plastic panels, focusing majorly on the damaged surface. After applying the chemical completely, use the clean surface of the applicator sponge to wipe and clean everything down. Now if you notice, this particular area is still faded compared to the other surface which is already restored. Also, if you notice this sponge, this particular part which the chemical is applied has swollen compared to the clean part. So that's why I suggest you to wear a gloves to protect against these harmful chemicals. Now I'm trying to apply a second coat to restore this faded part. Now, even after applying the second coat, and also I tried soaking this particular part with the chemical, still this particular area stays faded, and this is due to the extreme oxidation that has formed. Now, one trick that I found to remove this oxidation layer is just after soaking in the chemical, use your fingers to rub on this layer in order to remove the oxidation. You can also use your fingernails if you have stubborn oxidation layer. Once this is done, you can get the entire surface restored, as you can see. Now another common place where you can get to see a lot of fading is on the mirrors itself. Now let's use the same process of application to restore this mirror housing. Now you can see the difference clearly when compared to the old faded mirror to the restored one. This dashboard area doesn't seem so faded. However, let me apply this particular restoration product, which also acts as a protectant layer against the UV rays. This particular one is not a regular use product, and as per the conversation that I had with NAPCO's team, this particular product is recommended to use once every 3 months, and between those you can also use dashboard polish as you used to use before. Now it's time for some giveaways. This is the first giveaway that I'm running on this channel, and to participate that, you just need to do only 2 things. The first one is to comment down this video #Arkionx space #the codes in the same order that you watched in the video. Also, by the time you watch this video, there's a post on the Instagram, so comment the same code on the post and also add the post to your story mentioning Arkionx and #giveaway. Also, don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and comment, like and share. Now let's look at some cool cinematic shot after complete restoration.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear 'em say, oh, oh, la, 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 la.